guys, welcome back to my channel. And Black Friday just went and I shopped a lot, and I didn't splurge unnecessarily, but I had a list of few of the things which I had to buy, and so I shopped a lot from the Pink Friday sale on Nykaa. And before you think about it, no, this is not a sponsored post. This is I'm just sharing few of the things that I bought from the Pink Friday sale. I recommend you to get it or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, these are there's like two of these giant boxes from Nykaa, and I just received it. So let me quickly show you what all products do I have in here. Yes. So yeah guys, I haven't splurged unnecessarily on lot many things, but I've only bought the things that I really needed. And of course, like, winter is coming up, so I bought few winter essentials as there were amazing discounts on them. So firstly, let me start with the daily essentials. So the first thing that I have in here is the Nivea talcum powder. I love the musk talc. It's like really nice. Even though it's winter or summer, I really love to use a nice talcum powder, and I guess this is really nice. It has a wonderful fragrance, and I've been using this one and the white Nivea talcum powder since a long time back. And so yeah, this was on discount, and so I got this one. I would absolutely recommend you to get it. So yeah, then the next thing which I got is this synthol deo stick. Now I've used the Nivea ones, the Rexona ones, but I really love this one by synthol, and I love the fragrance as well. It's in the variant swirl, and I love how it smells, and it even the staying power is more. And thing which I really love about this is it's in the cream format, so the texture is really nice, unlike the sprays which first anyway goes away in the air. But yeah, I love the cream variant, and I would definitely recommend you to get this one as well. It is very affordable, and I'm sure everyone should use deo or spray, or something at least every day. So yeah, this is the second. Coming on to the third item here, what do I have in here is this Dettol soap. Now I know this is very basic thing, but yeah, this is, I use Dettol soap for my everyday, and I love Dettol. I've always been using their original variant, but this time I thought to give this new variant a try. So this one is the Dettol co-created with Moms. It is with the jasmine fragrance, and I really thought that let me just try the jasmine fragrance. And so yeah, I got this one as well. I'm yet to try this out. So it has this offer with most of their soaps. So yeah, this is again another great buy. Then again, another winter essential which I have is this one. I love body lotions, and I've always used the Vaseline cocoa butter and the original variant, but this time I thought to try this new variant. It's the calming lavender, and I love the smell of lavender, and so I thought that let me just try this one. And again, this was in a great offer, and it's non-greasy, and it's like a large pack, so it's perfect for the upcoming winter season. So yeah, I got this one, and well, I tried this one today, and to be honest, I actually thought that it would have a nice fragrance, but the fragrance really sucks. It's not what I actually thought. But yeah, apart from that, it is non-greasy, and it absorbs quickly. So yeah, I wouldn't suggest you to buy it. You can go for the Cocoa Body one or the original Vaseline one instead of this one. This is okay-ish. Now let's talk about the makeup and the skincare products. So again, as I said, I haven't bought much, but let me just show you some of my favorite products, and I've just restocked on them. And so let's just get started. So of course, firstly I had to buy a nice lip balm for the winters. I used the Nivea one, but then again this was on offer, and I thought it's really nice. You get like 2 of them at a really great price, and so I just got this. I actually love the baby lip, this one right here. I haven't tried this one yet, but yeah, I've been using this one and I love this one as well. It gives a really nice tint to your lips and it smells nice as well. And again, it comes with the SPF 20, so like, you know, it protects your lips from the sun as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you to get this one. Like, you know, it's a great offer, it's a win-win. Yes. Then the next thing which I have is this one. It's the wheat hair removal cream. I got it in the sensitive variant, like the sensitive skin variant, because of course my skin is sensitive, and to be honest, I don't really use this you know, hair removal creams and stuff, but I don't know, I just bought it randomly in case I, you know, if I ever needed it, and you know, in case if I have to go somewhere and I haven't groomed, and you know, just the emergency sort of thing. So yeah, as a backup, I just like bought it randomly, but yeah, you can get it if you want, you know, just as a kind of emergency. Other than that, it is not needed, I would say, and makes our skin darker, but yeah, sometimes just for emergency purpose, this is really good. So yeah. Then the next one I have in here is this really nice Mamaearth neem face mask. So this one, it is enriched with neem and tea tree, as you can see, and it is perfect for the like, you know, acne prone and oily skin. And I really had to get this because, you know, I was having a lot of, like, my skin was breaking out, so I really wanted a nice face mask, and so I got this one by Mamaearth. I've used few of the other products from Mamaearth and I actually love it, and so I thought to give this one a try as well. And this is specifically for pimples and zits, and you know, I break out often, and I just thought to get this. So I really love this one, and you should definitely get it. So yeah, a big thumbs up for this. And let's get on to the next product. So again, the next product which I got is this Hip Hop cleansing charcoal for head, nose and you know, chin stripes. So this is, again, as you can see, the lady here, she has this stripe. So this is just like, you know, basic like strip kind of things. Put it on your forehead, nose and chin, and you know, after 10 minutes you just have to pull it off, and it removes all of your blackheads, whiteheads and dirts and, you know, oil. So yeah, you know, I don't go to any salon for like clean up and stuff like that, so I just thought, you know, for the blackheads, whiteheads, I really needed to try this. I've seen a lot of other bloggers and all, like, you know, reviewing about the hip hop stripes, and I really thought, let me just try it. So yeah, so this is new one. Like, you know, I haven't tried it yet. Go on and follow me on my Instagram, and you know, I'll be reviewing it there. So yeah. Then the next thing which I have in here is again another holy grail product, like love, and I swear by this foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I absolutely love it. Like, you know, this is so good, guys. Like, it's nice buildable coverage, and it's like for normal to oily skin. So, and I'm in the shade 128 warm nude, so yeah, I had to get this. I've been loving the Maybelline the foundation as well as the compact, so yeah, I'll definitely recommend you to get this one. This is a really nice foundation for beginners, as well as this one gives a really nice coverage, and it's like, you know, it gives a really nice matte kind of finish. As you can see, I've just, like, you know, used this one right on my face today, but yeah, I really love this product, so you can definitely get it, and it's on a great offer right now. I mean, I'm not sure when I'll be putting up this video, the offer would still be there, but hey, you can just check out on Nykaa or Amazon for, you know, the discounted rates. So yeah, guys, the next thing is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. I absolutely love this compact, and I swear by this product. This would be my 9th or 10th one, I guess. I've been using this one since ages, and I'm in the shade Pearl, and I love, you know, how this is like the perfect compact for me. I mean, I really love it. Like, you know, it absorbs all of my oil and sweat, and it gives a nice mattifying finish to your face. So if you're looking for like everyday thing wherein you just want to use something after your moisturizer or sunscreen, you can use this. Like every day I use this. Like after applying my sunscreen, I only use this. So I don't like to use too much of the products, but yeah, if there's something that I use on a regular basis, it is this. So I would definitely recommend you to get this. Then the next thing is some nail paints, and you won't believe, but like there's this one blunder that happened with the nail paint. So I got two of this. I wanted two of the nail paint shades in black and in white, but unfortunately, like there's this blunder. Instead of the white, I got this transparent nail paint, and now I cannot return it, of course. So yeah, but I got it at a great deal, at a great discounted price, so never mind. I would use this one as like a top coat and base coat. So yeah, and again, this black one, I have used it right here on my nails. As you can see, the price range that the nail paints are, I guess it is okay, because I literally had to use the black nail paint shade like almost 3 to 4 times to get like a really nice color on my nails. But yeah, I feel like you can get it. And this one, I really wanted white, but I got the transparent. Never mind. Coming on to the next one is this one. Now this is not a nail paint, it's an eyeliner, and it's an eyeliner by Lakme. So it's their Insta liner, and it says that it is the water resistant eyeliner, but you know what guys, it is terrible. This eyeliner is the most terrible one I've like tried till now. I actually tried to use this today, and guess what, it is so horrible. Like it literally smudges, and it is not at all water resistant. And I don't know how they've like written water resistant, but it's absolutely not. And it's very cheap as well. So it's for 120, but in sale I got it for like 101 or something. So yeah, of course you cannot expect much of the quality and stuff for that price. But yeah, this one really sucks. I wouldn't use it. So yeah, do not get this one. No, big no. And lastly, I wanted to try something different. So always, instead of, I have so many black liners, and I wanted something in the neon shade, and I wanted to try the neon eyeliners. And so I got this one. This one is the Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil, and now this one is in the shade Squishy Lime, as you can see. And it's like a really nice neon shade. So I actually got this liner just because of its neon shade. Let me show you. So yeah, this is how the liner looks like. So I actually wanted it in the neon shade, and that is the only reason I got it. I actually didn't need it, but I was like, let me try something new. And as you can see, I've like put this liner right on my eyes, and to be honest, like I thought like it would be really nice and pigmented and smooth. As you can see on my eyes, I've got it has given me lots of like, it was such a struggle to get this on my eyes. And it's not at all smooth to use, so you literally have to use it so many times to get that nice pigment. So it's kind of I'm not sure what should I say. I actually love the color, and it's like kind of really nice different neon color to use, and I love the color. But then this one is a big no. I actually didn't like it. It was terrible. So I wouldn't recommend you to get this one. I would recommend you to get something from Elegant if you're like looking for some neon funky eyeliners. And yeah, with that, my Nykaa haul is complete. So yeah, I didn't get like all of the different things. I've only shopped all of the things that I like really needed it. And yeah, I would recommend you the same as well. Don't shop and don't splurge mindlessly on these sales and all of the different offers, but only spend on some of the things that you really need. So yeah guys, this is the makeup look of the day. If you want a complete makeup breakdown, then do check out my Instagram, because I'll be mentioning all of the details in there. And yeah, I've done a very nice neon eyeliner and some really funky look. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you love it, and if you do, then please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you next week soon.